fucking guy. I'm tired of this shit. Oh fuck, rip this goddamn tail off, motherfucker! Oh, ripped your fucking tail off, bitch! That's a tail. Fucking Christ. Alright. If these things block weld, they better be able to block him. Oh, I'm just gonna fucking grab him. Fuck it. Oh, fuck it. Fuck the world and everything in it. I can't do nothing good with it. That's for damn sure. That's for damn fucking sure. Alright. Alright, bitch. Alright. What's wrong, motherfucker? You missed your home? You fell down a fucking well? Damn right you fell down a fucking well. You fell down my fucking well, you bitch. Get out of there! Got him! Got that fucker! Yeah, I got you, you fucker! For the record, this is that fucking bitch! Tell you what, this is the best use these welding gloves I've had so far yet. Would buy again.